Welcome to CROSSPLANE Nation. I'm going to change the windshield wipers here on a 2020 Mustang 5.0. I'm using these Michelin Endurance XTs. Make sure when you cross-reference these, you get one specific for the vehicle. These are not your typical little hoop rounds. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. There's a little ridged piece right here on both sides. You're going to press, and then pull this back out. This will slide the wiper blade out. The bottom one is the old blade. This is the new one. And all we're going to do is just simply take this and snap it right into place. Open this part here of the wiper blade. Make sure that the wiper blade is seated properly. And we're going to just simply snap this in place. When you do that, the blade is assembled. Thanks for watching.